Let's start with push-ups. It is very useful workout before start any hard workout or for warm-up. Cardio is defined as any type of exercise that gets your heart rate up and keep it up for a long period of time. Your respiratory system will start working harder as you begin to breathe faster and more deeply. This workout affect mainly on shoulder then upper chest. By doing only this exercise, anyone can do full body workout. This type of exercise gets your heart rate up and keeps it for long time. Now make yourself relax through doing this exercise. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.